Okay, I'll just show you how to delete a mobile from the Bluetooth audio system in this 2014 Honda CR-V. So from any screen, you've got up here source, you've got telephone. If we click telephone there, telephone menu and phone setup, click phone setup, Bluetooth setup, paired phone list, and you'll see there Barry's iPhone 11, that's the one we want to delete. Click on it, delete this phone. Do you want to delete this phone? Yes. That's it, gone. Okay, I'll just show you how to pair a mobile to the Bluetooth audio system in this 2014 Honda CR-V. First of all, we make sure that Bluetooth is on, and then we're watching out at the bottom here. But if you go to telephone, top right, you've got telephone menu there and phone setup there. Phone setup, Bluetooth setup, auto transfer, Bluetooth setup, sorry, easy for me to say. Add new phone. Please make sure Bluetooth is enabled and set to be discoverable on your phone. Well, it is, so we're watching out at the bottom and we click OK there. It's now searching. Sometimes I confuse them because it was connected before and I've just deleted it to do that video. But anyway, Barry's iPhone 11. So click on there. Please enter the passkey 0000. So 0000. Click pair. Allow contacts and favourites to sync. I will. And where's it gone now? Oh, Honda HFT connected. So that's it. Now, you can also stream audio from your mobile through the Bluetooth system in this Honda. If you go to your iTunes, now I'm just going to turn this down, but you see at the bottom there, Honda HFT. So if I click on that, when my finger actually works, you see there's a phone. Sorry, there's my phone, and then there's a Honda with a tick next to it. So anything that plays from this phone will come through the Bluetooth audio system in the car, if you've got it set right. So now, this is playing. We now go to source, and you see there all the different options. There's auxiliary, it shows auxiliary on the front there, but what we actually want is Bluetooth. So you see the Bluetooth sign there, click on Bluetooth, showing Bluetooth on there, Bluetooth on here. Now if I turn this up, I'm going to control the volume from my phone rather than the audio system in here, so I can turn it on and off quickly so I don't get a copyright strike. But
I'm the bad guy. Duh.
There you go, that's how you stream audio. Okay, I'll just show you how to set the Sat Nav in this 2014 Honda CR-V. So from any screen, you've got here the map. If you then click the menu, you've got address here, address book, place name, place category, or go home. So we want address, and we also want postcode. So go to postcode. Sorry, take several touches. We're Grosvenor Garage, Chorley Road, Wantly, Preston, P. So my fingers are like Mars bars. PR5 4JS. PR5 4JS, 1.79 miles away. Set as destination. It's one of those things where you program the postcode in, then you tell it yes, then you have to tell it again to go. So that's it. It's a very, very simple system to use.